What's up, everybody? Michael Motor Car Low Mile King. I am back again, and rare is an understatement. Listen to what we have here today, guys. This is an 07 Porsche 911 Carrera 2, okay? So it's an 07 Speed Yellow car with a factory Aero Kit. Where do you find one of these cars? Hard to find is an understatement. This is a C2. It's got a ton of equipment. It's speed yellow. It's got 44,000 miles. It is a sweetheart. I bought this car out of California. I shipped it here. I put 4 brand new tires on it, and it is ready to roll. Wait to hear the option list on this car. Look around this car. I'm going to read off the option list while you guys are looking at the car, but this is such a rare and almost impossible to find vehicle, guys. So let's listen carefully, okay? So this is a speed yellow car, okay, with black leather, heated seats, Sport Chrono Package Plus, Bose high-end sound package. This has full black standard leather, Carrera S wheel in black mats with Porsche lettering, a power seat package, again, X4 Speed Yellow, metal door sill model insignias, XAA package, Aero Kit. Car was ordered new with a factory Aero Kit, super rare. Instrument dials are in Speed Yellow, sport exhaust, which we love, 5mm wheel spacers, Porsche crest and headrest, and seat belts in Speed Yellow. Guys, this was a very expensive, very hard to find spec. Where do you find one? Michael Motor Car Low Mile King. Look at this car. Incredible, guys. You will not find a better spec in Speed Yellow with an Aero Kit out there. Carfax is clean. All boxes are checked. This car is absolutely incredible, guys. I'm in love with it. It's got a brand new lip on the bottom because we all know everybody scuffs the lips. The car is ready to roll. Next guy gets this car is going to be smitten. Sport Chrono Aero Kit, sport exhaust, live, going live. Bring a trailer. I will do a drive video for you guys. And I'm telling you, this car is incredible. Staring at it is mind-blowing. I want to wish everybody great success bidding. Good luck.